Hello, I would like to show you how we make rye bread in Denmark for the party dinner in your country. I will start to take some water, yeast, beer and a sour milk, and you would use yogurt in your country. I will put it into my mixer. Cold water. And to solve the yeast, just turn it around a couple of times. That will be enough. And now I will add all the rest of the ingredients. Salt, len seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame, and this is rye seeds which is chopped. Whole wheat flour, and rye flour. And now I will mix it well.
For how long time do you mix it?
I just need to have the paste or the dough to be the same consistency. All the ingredients has to be well included.
Mixed together.
Mixed together.
And for how long time? For 10 minutes or?
Around a couple of minutes.
Couple of minutes. Okay.